Welcome, guys. How y'all doing? This is D Durrell with D Durrell Life Solutions. Happy to be here once again. Um, Having an excellent day. It's been a while since I've done a live stream, and it's been like months. And I'm like, damn it, I need to, re-engage with my people on D Durrell Life Solutions. Let's talk about some mental health. So I thought today's topic, no talks about healthcare or mental health issues in this presidential election, would be the appropriate topic as it relates to my business, as it relates to my profession, and the things that I do in life related to this channel. So I'm going to briefly talk about it. I don't want to take too much of your time, but I just wanted to kind of use this as a means to just say hello and let you all know that I'm still here. I will be chopping it up with you from time to talk about mental health issues, counseling related issues, business related, financial, and etc. So this is a professional channel, and I talk about issues related to all aspects of my life from day to day. So this particular presidential election, dealing with Kamala Harris and also Donald Trump seeking a second term, it is obvious to me that there are a lot of different things that are talked about that appear to take precedence over healthcare and mental health, because I'm not hearing a lot about healthcare related or mental health related issues. Of course, we're going to talk about the economy. Of course, we're going to talk about education. We're going to talk about foreign policy. Of course, they're going to talk about immigration, border control, um, the oil industry or energy, taxes, crime. But very little have I heard about making healthcare more affordable, making mental health services more accessible. Haven't heard a lot about it. Is that not a hot topic? Is Are we not going to pretend that this is a major issue for a lot of Americans? The amount of Americans that have chronic mental health issues or just maintenance level mental health issues, accessibility in rural areas, in inner cities. Certain states have it's more affordable than others. Are we not going to talk about um, the basically just tearing down of the Medicaid expansion plans that were put in place through Obamacare, and now tons of people are on kids and children and women are losing Medicaid accessibility and services and resources. I do know it's quite expensive to maintain, but what are the alternatives? Through President Biden, a monumental mental health bill was passed allowing licensed professional counselors and licensed mental health family marriage and family therapists, licensed marriage and family therapists, excuse me, to become part of Medicare, allowing more consumer choice for Medicare recipients. That was a major, monumental bill that was passed that greatly affected the profitability of my company and other professionals in my field of study. It increased competition. It increased accessibility. It increased the viability of many practices that probably were once struggling, and now they can market to to other consumers with Medicare insurance and Advantage plans. But we're not hearing about the reduction of Medicare recipients state to state. The state of Texas lost at least 3 to 5 million children that were once um, were afforded Medicaid insurance. They're no longer qualified. There's been a huge reduction, and this is not the only state. The federal money that was given to support these particular programs were decreased. Therefore, the money is decreased. It filters to less people being eligible. Same thing goes to healthcare. These people that have Medicaid insurances, state-funded insurances, also seek healthcare insurance more than mental health. I'm not hearing enough about making healthcare more affordable. I'm not hearing about the process of people seeking and having consumer choice. Matter of fact, I remember at one time the expansion of VA benefits. They had a whole scandal that occurred that forced the government to come in to make more providers accessible to the VA population. That was a major scandal that made that a hot topic. But we're not hearing a lot about it right now for some reason. I'd like you all to tell me what you think about what I'm discussing as it relates to healthcare and mental health issues not being a major issue, not being talked about a lot at all with this particular presidential election. Maybe we have alleviated a lot of issues. I oppose to that because these are ongoing issues. It will never be solved. It can only become better. It can only operate better, be funded better, structured better. That will be a never-ending issue that can always get better. Okay? Appreciate you all for being here again. This is D. Durrell with D. Durrell Life Solutions. Have a great day.